Good morning all. Welcome back to our class. Today we start with the assignment problem, a second part of fourth model. Here assignment indicates assigning the jobs to the people. Okay. So as per the definition, if there are n jobs to be performed and n persons are available for doing these jobs, assume that each person can do each job at a time with varying degree of efficiency. Then based on their efficiency we have to pay the amount to them, or you can say the cost to them. The aim of assignment problem is that assign all the job to all the people in a minimum cost. Okay, so that will be the aim of the assignment problem. Here n jobs are there or n persons are there. Okay, then these are the cost we are paying to each of the person based on their task performed. Okay, then in order to solve assignment problem we have the Hungarian method. Okay, so step 1 is that row reduced matrix. In this, in each row we have to find the smallest element, then subtract this smallest element to all the elements of that row. Okay, similarly second step, column reduced matrix. So in each column you have to find the smallest element, then subtract that element to all the elements of that column. Then step 3 is that now test that is it possible to assign a single zero in each row and each column. Okay, if it is possible, then we have to stop the iteration. If it is not possible, then go for the step 4. In the step 4, we draw the minimum number of horizontal and vertical lines that covers all the zero at least once in the given matrix. Then how to draw these vertical and horizontal lines? For that we have 3 steps. Actually in this I made only 2, but you make it as 3 steps. The first step is that mark the row with the right symbol, mark the row as they have no assigned 0. Okay, so after the step 1 and step 2, check that is that any row not contain assigned 0, then you have to mark with this symbol. Then here the second step, mark the column contain 0 in the marked row. In the marked row where zeros are there, those 0 will be identified and make that column is marked 1. Similarly, third step, mark the row contain assigned 0 in the marked column. Okay, then repeat this step until all zeros are covered. Then after doing all this, then last is that then draw the lines through marked column and unmarked rows. Then move to step 5. Then we already got the marked rows and marked column. Then few elements are not covered. Then whichever the elements are not covered, among those not covered element, find the smallest element. Then that smallest element to be subtracted to all the uncovered element, and that same small element will be added to the place where it is intersection. Then remaining covered elements are kept as it is. Okay, then after doing all this we get the new matrix, rewrite the new matrix, then in the step 6 reapply step 3. Now again check is it possible to assign single 0 in each column and each row, then assign it, else repeat the step 4. Now we will see the first example. Here the department contain the 4 subroutine and 4 tasks. Okay, and we have to assign these 4 tasks to 4 subroutine based on their efficiency that is given in the given matrix. At the end you have to find minimum cost to assign 4 tasks to 4 subroutine. That is the aim of this problem. So for this there are 4 jobs and 4 subroutine he has given, and cost also provided. Then apply the Hungarian method. In the step 1, row reduction matrix. So what I have said, find the smallest element in each row. So first row is 8, second row is 4, third row is 15, fourth row is 10. Then in each row subtract the smallest element to all the elements of that row. So 8 minus 8 0, 26 minus 8 18, 17 minus 8 9, 11 minus 8 3. So we got this first row. Similarly second row, 13 minus 4 9, 28 minus 4 24, 4 minus 4 0, then 26 minus 4 22. Similarly do for the third and fourth row. Then whatever the matrix we obtained in the first step, for that matrix apply the step 2. In the step 2, in each column find the smallest element. In the first column it is 0, second column it is 4, third 0, fourth 0. So the smallest element 0 in first column, third column and fourth column. So again we get the same column values in the second step. Only the second column get changed. Here 4 is there, subtract 4 to all the elements. This becomes 14, this becomes 20, it is 0 and it is 16. 16 minus 4 is 12. So we got the second step. The third step, try to find is it possible to assign a single 0 in each column and each row is possible or not. Check it out. So in first row only one 0 is there, so assign it. In the same column no zeros are there, in same row no zeros are there, no need to cross anyone. Okay, then come to second row, only single 0 is there, in the same column no 0, in the same row any other zeros are there. Similarly come to third one. Okay, so if I select it, then how many zeros will get cover? Only this will get cross. Now if I take this one, then how many zero get cross? This and this. In such case, find the out of these two, select one 0 that covers minimum number of zeros. So if I select this, only one 0 cross, so I am going to select this one. So if we select this, cross this. Then the last row, only one is left, so write that 0. So same thing we obtained here. Then each row, each column contains single assigned 0. So stop the iteration. Then where we obtain this value, it is from A to 1. That is A to 1, what is the cost? A to 1 cost is 8. So that you have to write 8. Similarly B to 3. B to 3. The cost is B to 3 cost is B to 3 cost is 4. So I have to assign 4. Similarly C to 2, D to 4. At the end we get 41 is the optimal answer. So as I told in the third step, here once again I am repeating. Just look at here. If I select in the first row 3 zeros are there, which one to be select? In such case, if I select this 0, how many zeros get cross? 1 0 get cross, 2 0 get cross, 3 0 get cross. So it cover 3 0. So if I take second one, again this 0 and this 0. The same row, same column, it covers 3 zeros. Similarly, if I select this 1, 2, only 2 0 get cross. So that compared to first and second, third will cover only 2 zeros. So we are going to select this as the assigned 0. Okay. Then next example we will solve in the next video tutorial. Thank you.